Good afternoon everyone. My name is Meghana. I am from class 10 from Sri Gurukula International School. So today I am going to tell you all about the fire sensors programming, like how it works. So this is the board which is having different sort of things. It is having two batteries. It is having a Arduino and it is having the sensor, the fire sensor, buzzer and LCD. So these are the all things present in this board, and the wires, there are two sorts of batteries and a Arduino also. The Arduino has been connected to many types of wires to the other objects. The Arduino is having many wires that has been connected to the LCD, battery and also to the sensors and the buzzers. So the way it works is the battery has been connected to the two places. So it has been connected to the LCD and also to the sensor and the buzzer, because the battery will be useful only then, through the battery only it can work, the LCD and the buzzer. It cannot just work like that. So battery will convert the electricity will flow through the battery and the connected wires to both of them, only then it will work. And the Arduino is the mother of the whole thing, because without Arduino it will not work. And when we are connecting the wires to the Arduinos, it should always be in a correct, proper way connected. Like the positive should be connected in the positive and negative should be connected in the negative. It should not displace, or the Arduino will get destroyed and it will get burnt. So here you can see that the Arduino is connected to many wires which has been connected to the LCD, batteries and the sensors. So when we on the switch, or when we when we keep the fire near to the sensor passes the messages to all of these, through which the buzzer starts buzzing and the LCD will detect that if there is a fire there or not there. So I want the switch. So now if I want to detect that there is fire or not, now it is showing as fire is not detected because I have not kept anything that is sensing fire. But when I keep fire, that will sense it and it will show it as fire is detecting. So we got to know, right, when I kept the fire nearby it is showing also and it is also buzzing.